Silver last week has shown good bullishness right from $32 levels. We have seen it closing the week at 33.50, 33.670 zone, which is also the double top levels. Can we expect from the recent past, can we expect a breakout move in silver? And if yes, how far it is going to stretch the rise? Because see, it has taken a good support here, or the double top is done and we should wait for a reversal as it is forming a nice bearish flag here trading in this channel. Also, we have seen a good reversal after the drop, so can we expect a downtrend to begin? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my twice a day updates for silver, first with the Asia session, next with the US session. And this is the only channel to do so twice a day, and where we not only give you the trading levels just, but we also give you the reasoning behind each and every move. And thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so do watch till the end. Now, when you look at the weekly charts for silver, see, first of all, it was forming lower highs here, and then the support at 32 and 31.65. These two are going to remain the key support levels here for silver. Now see, it has formed a triple bottom and then it has bounced back, breaching past this lower high formation here. Also now see this red green, and now this is a breakout here. So now if in the coming week, if you see it is staying beyond 33.70.80, you can stay bullish from here. That should be the beginning of another bull run here, where we could see gold moving towards 34.50 and in fact $35 levels. Yes, it is the movement in silver is muted for last multiple weeks. You can see 4 to 5 weeks it has stayed in a zone, and now if it gives you a breakout, it should bring a stronger move. Right now, when you see the complete picture here, largely silver is trading in this zone where the highs are at 37, the lows are here at 28, and hence in this is a broader zone in which silver is trading. This is a swing zone. When you connect it here, you can see this is the larger formation for the near term between 34 to 28. So let's watch out. The direction it takes in the coming week is going to remain pretty important. Stochastic rising, the MACD has hit a low. It is waiting for a crossover, and this crossover can mean a reversal here in silver prices. So let's watch out for, specifically the coming week is going to be pretty important. The RSI is looking upwards, which is another good sign for the bulls here. Coming to the daily chart, now if you look at the daily charts, after, see, first of all, you look at this, the drop here, the retracement, the drop here, support from the 20 period, and now it has hit the highs here. Now these are the levels 33.70, from where the price has retraced. It has formed a double top. Now from double top, there are two possibilities. One, it breaches this, moves beyond 34, 34.20, 34.50 and then 35. Because once it breaches out, once it gives you a breakout, it might bring a stronger momentum on the upside. While what I am looking is double top here, divide this into two, trade like this, and then the space on the downside is wide open for it to cover. Right now, the stance is pretty bullish. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic, this is overbought here. The MACD, when you see, after a retracement, it has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This reflects that a possibility of continuation of the upside move is very high. RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour charts, after this rise, we have seen a strong pullback. See, this one strong bearish candle has appeared. Now it has started to retrace. But what it is trying to form? See, first of all, the moving averages are trading with divergence. The support at 33 has now gathered strength. So now first is for silver to trade below 33. That is the most important thing. Once it trades below 33, it has to now breach below the critical support zone at 32.50 and 32. If and only if silver trades below these levels, you can say now the bears are taking over. Now see the formation here. After a reversal sign, greater dip, retracement. So it is possible that it might continue to trade in this zone. But yes, if at all it decides to breach 33.70, 33.80 zone, we can say now this is back to the bull run here. Where are the highs for this? Towards 34.20, 34.50 levels. Next, And if it decides to breach 34.50, I'll be looking forward to $35 levels very, very soon, if not in the coming week. Yes, silver is consolidated enough here, rise, retracement, consolidation, trying to show an up move. If it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a stronger move here. The stochastic rising, the MACD after the rise, retracement trying to cross over for a buy. The RSI is rising here. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, if you see the formation, 3 green, 3 red, couple of green, couple of red, couple of green. Ideally, it has to be couple of red candles. That is how it is being traded. But despite of that, right now the movement is on the upside. And see this, lower highs and higher lows are seen. Now, this is the last week for the month. The closer of the candle is going to be pretty important, and where it closes, that is what you have to see, because see, now also it is seen lower highs, and this increases the possibility of a reversal here. Hence, a move below 31.40, 31.50, which is far below, and it is almost $2 from the current levels, and it requires a stronger push from the upside on silver to trade lower. Right now we can see lower highs, and yes, also the struggle at 33.70-80 zone. So if it stays or respects 33.70-80 zone, the possibility of a reversal will increase, and then this is possible that this might close the month at around 32.60, 32.50 zone, 32.40 zone rather. And if it decides to breach this, you can expect the next move towards 32, and then 31.65 will appear. Below 31.65, it's a crash in making. We can soon see silver hitting 30.50 and $30 levels. Right now, I will say the coming week is going to be critical for silver to decide the direction. Stochastic is rising. The MACD is trading bullish, trading with divergence, staying at the highs here. RSI is at the top as well. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And if you also want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 33rd mentorship batch starting 2nd of June. Do not miss this opportunity. Write an email or ping me or telegram for your queries. See, first invest in learning, then investing in markets. Because if you do investment without the right learning, the right approach, the right strategy, you will lose first and then you will try to learn. And that is what most of the traders do. First, they invest, they lose, and then they come back for learning. Do not commit the mistake. Join the mentorship batch today. Else, be a part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And once you have your trades in place, it is very, very important for you to have a safer place to trade as well. The trusted partner which can offer you swap free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, and a global presence. You can find the trusted partner link in the channel and video description. So first, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend a buying entry at 33.80 only. Do not buy before that. You can expect 34.10 and then 34.45 levels. If this is taken, 34.75 and then 35 dollar levels are going to be the next. Now it is important because see, once it breaches here, once it breaks out beyond 34.45, we can expect the bulls to take over. What we'll see 35 and what you can expect 35.50 and in fact higher levels. Though I'm not in favor of such a rise, but yes, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Once it gives you a breakout, the breakout move is going to be pretty strong. Remember this. Though you should now also have a look at the perspective on the downside. I will now only recommend you to sell here at 33.30 levels. Expect 33.05 first target, 32.80 the next, 32.50 the third, 32.20 the fourth, and then 32.00. Below $32 is where the bearishness is going to increase. This time we can expect it to breach the preceding triple bottom, expect it to move towards 31. And if this is taken, the bearishness is going to accelerate. It is possible that silver might show you swings here. So take your trades. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss, again I am highlighting this, do watch the twice a day updates. This gives you a fair bit of clarity on how to trade silver, how to trade profitably every day. Thus, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.